Hi everyone, and welcome to Ajiro Tech. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Cambridge IGCSE ICT Paper 2 presentations. And we'll be looking at it from May-June 2019, the first variant. So let's get right to it. Okay. Okay. You're going to create a short report. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slide must be formatted to display a title and a bulleted list. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file j219lit.rtf. On the slide 1, enter your name after the text presented by. Okay, so let's open the file. So the first thing you do obviously is you have to open the presentation first, and then you can open the RTF. Okay, so you click on file, click on open, and I think we have lit day here, so I'm just going to open it. Okay, so yeah, just going to move this here. Okay, on the slide 1, enter your name after the text presented by. Okay, child. Okay, done. Use a slide master to display the following features on all slides. So we're going to use a slide master right now. So click on view, the slide master. Okay, so obviously on the slide master, this is the slide master, and all these are the slides that are linked to the slide master. So for example, if I put in this, this is going to span across to all the slides. Okay, so your name, center number, candidate number. So I'm going to click on insert. Right here, I'm going to check this. Now, if you don't check it, it's not going to appear. My center number is AN017. Obviously, in your exam, you will be supplied with this information. My candidate number is 2023. What else? This automatic slide number. Okay, I'm going to apply it to all, and I'm just going to make my details legible. So I'm going to make it 18, change it to black, and bold it. Same thing with the slide number, change it to black, and then I'm going to bold it. Okay, so it's fine. A call out box containing the text, call out box. So we're going to insert a call out box. Okay, so this is a any call out box they said. Just going to use this. Okay, so a celebration day of reading and writing. So it's going to be in a large black font. The call out box must not be filled. In the field. Okay, so this is going to be in a large black font. Black font in a large black font. I'm just going to make this 30. Just going to make this black. Obviously, you're not required to do this, so okay. In a large black font, the call out box must not be filled. So this is completed. Obviously this is going to be, I'm just going to make it here on all slides. Okay, format the last slide so that the title slide layout is applied. Okay, I'm going to put this to normal. Just going to adjust this so it doesn't affect my text. Obviously you have to check through to ensure it doesn't affect your test. So the last one, I'm going to make it a title slide. Okay, I think I'm going to put it up. Looking at the slide, it gives me an idea of where to put this. So I'm just going to go here, take this to the top. Okay, so it gives me an idea of where to put it. So obviously this is better. Yeah. The title and the subtitle are centered in the middle of the slide. Yes, they are centered in the middle of the slide. Save the presentation. So let me save it. Now, it's important that you save it as a presentation. So let me just go here to find the name. No. Okay, copy. Going to click on File, click on Save As. Okay. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to save it. Okay, so okay, so it's here. Okay, so that's fine. Let's go down quickly. Print the whole presentation as a handout with 2 slides to the page. Okay, so I'm going to click on File, click on Print. It's going to be handout with 2 slides to a page. Okay, your name, center number, and candidate number appears of all of them. Okay, all right, so this is going to be printout 6. I'm just going to check before I put a printout 6 to ensure that on the slide 1, enter your name after the text. So obviously we're not centralizing this, so just leave it the way it is. Okay, so I'm going to print this. I'm just going to look for where it is here. Yeah, this is going to be a printout 6. Okay, this. Okay, and then we can check to see what we have done to ensure that both your name, center number, and candidate number appears, and there's your name here, there's a call out box here, right? And of course it's not expected to be filled, but this has to be black, bolded, and please ensure that the names spanning across are also reduced. So I think we're done with this. So we're done with this. It's completed, and it's just the 6 mark. So please, thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe, watch, practice, like this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more IGCSE ICT practicals. Bye.